Today we'll talk about how can you disable commerce notifications on your GC app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on notifications, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. You click here on notification categories down here. So then you come here to commerce here. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean commerce notifications disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like